What the hell? To shit me up. What's going on, people? What's going on? It's your boy Jay here from the Blazing Jay's Fishing, and welcome to the second part of Tri-Hull Restoration Part 5. This is the sanding part, continuing with the little defects. While I was sanding, falling into a little bit problem, but nothing too bad. I'm glad it's there, so I'll see the defects. Alright, so stay tuned. Go with me on this video and see what is the surprise we end up boxing up. Right? Stay tuned. What the hell? To shit me up. Jesus. Alright. New assignment. Yes. This is what I end up with now. All right. I'll go on, I clean it all out. Clean out. Nice. Right through. So tomorrow I'll do the repair on this. Unfortunately, I edited a video to put up, and I don't know what going on with the phone, and I lost some clippings on the video itself. So right now I just showing all you here what I'm doing, and I'll continue this video tomorrow by doing the repairs, power glassing and everything, and then I'll let you guys know. Alright, I started to do the repairs here now. Good day, good day, good day. Yes, just repaired it. Put on the glass. Right. So what I did, yes, well, in the earlier part of the video, you'll see that where I was doing the sanding and thing, I found a spot was here. It ended up this whole complete thing was delaminated. Alright, so what I did, I ripped out the whole thing and clean it out. I glassed it back. I was editing the video, I lost some of the clips, so I was actually pulling out and showing you how it was in the back and everything. But nevertheless, small thing. So I'm doing back this video to actually show you how I did it. Alright. Alright, stay tuned again there.